In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to write and send in an email and even to receive it using Gmail. So to start with, all you need is to make sure that you log into your Gmail account, which I have done on my own case. I have logged into my own account. You can see my account over here. So the first thing you need to do is to come over to Compose over here at the top left. So you click on Compose and be brought into this very platform. At the top here is where you type in the receiver's email, okay, the email that you're going to send to. So this is where you type in the email, for example, epicmentorship1@gmail.com. This is the email that I want to send. If it's a recognized email, you'll be able to see it over here. You can send to multiple emails in cases if you have more than one email. For example, you want to send to multiple, you can still send and keep on typing for more email. For example, I can say epicdigitalacademy@gmail.com. Also, it's a recognized email, so you can see I'm sending it to these two emails. So the first step is to specify the recipient, which is to whom are you sending the email. So I've specified my receivers. Now the next thing is I can specify the subject. Why am I sending this email? So assuming I have this subject, I want to send apology for missing an academic staff meeting in my department, and I want to send this message to my boss apologizing. So this is where I put in the subject. Now down here is where I put the main content of the email, okay? What or the actual letter that I'm going to send. So down here, let's say I have this message typed. Okay, so you can see it. Dear Ms. Smith, please accept my sincere apologies for missing the academic staff meeting today, March 28th. Now I give on the details. I went on to give in the details of why I missed the meeting that we've scheduled. Okay, so basically this is how to write an email message to send to your receiver. So you just specify the receiver and the subject, why are you sending the message, and then the content. This is textual email without any addition, without any attachment. And once you're done writing, you can just come down here and you can send it instantly, okay? You can send it instantly, or you can schedule the sending for later. Maybe you don't want to send it today, you want to send it tomorrow, or you want to send it on a later date. You can specify, you can schedule for sending. But this time around, I want to send it instantly. So I can just come down here and say send. But then there are other features here which we are going to take in one by one to look at how to use most of these features. But for today, the main concern is for us to be able to send a simple email message to our receiver. So let's go ahead and click on send. And this message is now being sent to our receiver. So let's check one of the emails that I've attached and see what we have received at the other end. So once we check in, you can see there's an email from the Google Workspace applications, which is this one. And you can see the subject directly, apology for missing academic staff meeting. So once you click on it, this is the email that you'll be able to see, okay? Dear Ms. Smith, and this is the email I've just sent. So this on the other side of the receiver. And now on your own side, you have the option to reply the same email. You can reply to all, including the other people that were copied in the same email. You can reply to all, which is my advice. Sometimes you may be CC'd, other people may be copied within the email. So it's good to reply all so that they can always be in the correspondence. You can as well forward this to someone else. If you want to forward it to someone, maybe a colleague, you want him for his information, you want him to get this information, you can forward to him directly also from here. So the basic thing is to learn how to send and receive a message. I think this concludes this tutorial on how to write and send in a very plain and simple textual message as an email. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn how to send in attachment, be it a photo or a video or a link, you can click on the video at the end of this tutorial. So thanks for watching once again, and see you around.